Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's talk about this amazing, luxurious experience I'm about to share with you. The most luxurious, most natural looking wig that I have in my collection, and it is from Mora Mode. So do check it out. Honestly, a lot of really great wigs on there, comparable to wigs that are literally double in price. So yes, this is definitely an investment. So let's just talk about the extremely luxurious wig that I have. So her name is Sophie. So here she is in all of her glory. I mean, she honestly is like real Victoria's Secret kind of hair here. So she's actually already comes wavy. She is 20 inches, even though I feel like she's maybe a little bit longer than that, but listed as 20 inches. She does have 150% density right here. When you're purchasing a luxurious wig, they will give you so many options on how you want your wig, which is really fun. So right over here, so they actually give you the options of if you want the baby hairs, the color of lace that you want, and then also the cap size, and then as well as the density as well. So you can make all of these choices to customize the wig to your exact liking, because like I said, this is an investment piece, so definitely like cater it to exactly what you want it to be. So let's just talk about the inside of the wig and construction. So this is a full lace wig right here. There is no doubt about it right here. There are no combs to be had in sight. And what this does have is this great band. So this is actually a first that I have for a wig with a band. I've actually considered putting the bands, actually sewing them into some of my current wigs, because it just makes it honestly so much more comfortable. It isn't even funny. So this wig right here, as you can see, like you can part it anywhere because it is full lace. So that's the beauty of this. Also, this is the Caucasian lace that I have chosen right here. And this does, I chose without baby hairs, but by all means, you can definitely add that. And like I said, this is the 150% density, which is the lowest density you can get with this wig. I'm gonna put her on totally right. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna be using the Got2B glue, a wig cap, and of course cutting it, and then of course gluing her down so I can show you the full realm of her potential. So I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. Now what I'll tell you, I'm sure I could pull this back, but this is the part of the wig that I'm gonna be getting rid of right here, because that's gonna be definitely killing my vibe right here. So I'm gonna pull it this way. I'm gonna take my glue, my Got2B glue. Learned is, since I've just been kind of messing with this a lot, is just get really close, like almost put this directly on your actual hairline. Hair dryer. This method is really great if you want to literally wear the wig for 3 to 5 days straight. So now I'm gonna be cutting. Honestly, I probably could have cut this down a little bit more, but I didn't. That's okay. So I'm gonna be now cutting this wig cap, kind of gluing this down a little bit more. I'm not an expert at this yet, but very soon I will be an expert at cutting this all down perfectly. Okay, so now I'm gonna just spray a little bit more on top. I'm gonna be putting the wig right on this part. Okay, so we're gonna flip around. I put my wigs on front to back. And then I find it's best if you just kind of spray this top lace. Do a little hair dry. what a lot of women do when they're gluing down their wig with either of these products right here, Got2B, these are normally the most coveted ones for it, is they will take a long scarf right here and just tie it down for a couple minutes while they're finishing up their makeup, and then honestly that is the ticket for them for securing their wigs with the glue. All right, so she is totally secured on my head and feeling good. So now this is the time where you can totally whip her around, do anything that you want to her, and treat her like your hair. So since she is 100% human hair, you can curl her, you can straighten her, you can even dye her if you do want to choose to, you know, maybe tone it or do anything that you like to her. So, I mean, look at this hairline, pretty great. And you know, if you did want to, of course, modify it more, like by all means, like go for it. All I did with her is just cut off the lace. So she has lots of options. And since she is human hair, you know, human hair, kind of like real hair that if you just manipulate it a little bit, you can get it to do whatever that you'd like. So just be patient with her. If she's not falling the exact way that you'd like it to fall, like just give it a little bit of time, because she will work that way if you manipulate her. So just give it a whirl. So here she is. Let me stand up a little bit. So she's 22 inches. Actually, she's 20 inches, but I do feel that she is, you know what, maybe this long part, I'd say maybe 22, but the majority of the hair I'd probably say is around 20. But honestly, I really like it, like super luxurious. I wore this to work, and all of my workers literally see me every single day with a different wig on, and they all, including the maintenance men, were like, this one looks the most natural, this looks the best. And I was like, ah, thank you. So let me know what you all think about this luxurious wig that I have for you. Again, this is from Mora Mode. Definitely check them out. Check them out on Instagram and like just see all the amazing wigs that they have to offer. Of course, reach out to me on Instagram. You know I love to hear from you and see you and your wigs. I am absolutely tickled by all the positivity from all of you. And I want to honestly thank you so much for just continuing on all this great empowerment and like honestly helping everyone be the best that we can be every single day, because it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in the most luxurious human hair Victoria's Secret style wig, wear it, love it, be her. And I want to thank you all, and we will